Imagine a future where nearly 40% of the skills we use today will be new by 2030. AI is not coming for your job. A person using AI is coming for your job. And in the next 5 years, the people who master these 7 skills will be the ones hiring the people who didn't. World Economic Forum 2025, LinkedIn, IBM, Forbes. Every major report says the same thing. These 7 skills are the ones that will actually make you irreplaceable. Let's go. No fluff, only fire. If you can't make AI do exactly what you want in 10 seconds, someone else will. Master prompt engineering, tool chaining, and knowing which model to use when. This is the new typing. Emotional intelligence remains irreplaceable. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, says AI can't replace how much people care about other people. AI has zero empathy. You read the room, negotiate, inspire, build trust. The higher you go, the more this pays. With AI automating routine tasks, creativity becomes your edge. The WEF highlights creative thinking and resilience as top future skills. Companies like Tesla succeed by solving tough problems with fresh ideas. Practice thinking outside the box, brainstorm, prototype, and combine different fields. Creative problem solvers will thrive because innovation is something AI alone can't generate. We work globally and remotely now. Mastering digital tools is a must. Platforms like Zoom, Slack, and Google Workspace power the modern workplace. Be concise in emails and confident on video calls. Clear digital communication helps teams sync, even across time zones. For example, Netflix teams collaborate worldwide. Strong virtual communication keeps projects on track. Sharpen your online collaboration skills to be an indispensable team player. The only constant is change. Nearly 40% of core job skills will be new by 2030. Companies know this. About 80% plan to upskill employees in AI and data tools. So keep learning. Take online courses, Coursera, LinkedIn, Udemy, on AI, data analysis, or any new tech. Stay curious about emerging tools. Being adaptable, ready to learn, unlearn, and relearn will future-proof your career. AI gives you data, but you must find the meaning. Question the output, spot the bias, and connect the dots. Machines can't see. AI amplifies bias at light speed. You are the guardrail. The world will pay premium for humans who refuse to ship harmful tech.